What's up there, people? Thank you for tuning in. I have one big word I want to express, and that word is excitement. Excitement, excitement, excitement. I was very excited to find out that this kit was being produced by Tamiya. I was very excited to buy it off of eBay, and I was even more excited when it came in. Now, one may be wondering, why am I so excited? One, well, it's a new Tamiya kit. Well, I'm going to say it's 3/4 new. It's 3/4 new. However, the thing that really excited me about the kit are the figures. I love a tank that comes with figures. So this is my build of Tamiya's Panzer IV. Enjoy. Construction of the lower hull of the kit. Believe it or not, this is the part of the kit that's not new. Remember before I mentioned that this kit is 3/4 new, 1/4 old? This is the part that's old. It comes from the 1990s Tamiya kits of the Panzer IV Ausf J and Ausf H. It went together rather easily, not too many problems, not too many seam lines that have to be erased, removed, and yeah, it went together easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now here you see me installing the muffler. Now I'm not actually installing the muffler, I'm test fitting it. I'm not going to permanently install it because I want to texturize it and paint it separately later on. This part right here requires modification. Modification in the form of drilling a hole. Very easy to be done. They even provide you a diagram to show you where the hole should be done, should be drilled, and here I am drilling it out. Here I ran into a slight problem. The instructions say part 29 goes on top and part 28 goes at the bottom. I did the reverse, and actually it fits that way. If you do it the way the instruction shows, that the diagram shows, it doesn't actually fit. Just to let you know, slight issue that I had. Here I present to you the wheels and the return rollers. And also we can't forget the idlers. All the running gear is not going to be permanently installed. Rather, I'm using blue tack to temporarily install them so I could accomplish 3 goals. One, I could have them on the tank when I install the tracks, because it makes installing the tracks much easier, even though I'm going to remove the tracks before painting. 2, I could paint the wheels separately. And 3, I could weather the hull separately. So by not permanently attaching them, it makes my job so much easier. The tracks are the link and length type. Now, the tracks do have holes in it. What do they call that? Injection pin marks. So every second track has that. It's kind of shallow. I could take my time and fill them all, but I'm feeling kind of lazy, so I'm just going to let them be. Tamiya is so awesome. They provide you with this jig to help you construct the upper run of the tracks. And by doing so, it makes the job so much easier. It's well thought out, well planned, and so user-friendly. Construction of the upper superstructure. Again, Tamiya, they provide such a great product. They explain to you in the diagram, in the instructions, as you see in the upper right corner, when to attach each part of the superstructure. There are like 4 or 5 steps. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in that one part of the instructions. It makes it a whole lot easier. Always pay attention to the instructions though. Later on, I would make a mistake by not paying attention. You'll see what I mean. Now there are 2 options, 2 different tanks you could build in this kit. One for North Africa, DAK, and one for Russia in 1942. Tamiya marks them as A and B choice. I was not paying attention to the instructions. I'm doing A, the DAK version. I drilled holes where I shouldn't have and have attached tools like I shouldn't have because I did not follow the instructions. Here I am installing the wire cutter. That is not for the DAK version. That is for the Russia version. I'm also installing the wrench, which again is not for the DAK version. But not a problem. Later on, when I discovered this mistake during the build, I can simply pop them out with an X-Acto knife. Here I am constructing the turret bin. Now also, I did not pay attention to the instructions where it shows that you have to align the rear wall and the side walls as shown in the diagram. I did not do that. I put the whole thing together without realizing that. It wasn't until when I tried to put the roof on it then I noticed I made a mistake. So I ripped it all apart. I did not film this, and I put it back together again, and then I attached it to the turret. No problem. All good. Well, that's all, folks. I'm calling this project completed, done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it greatly. I really enjoyed this kit. It wasn't so difficult to put together. Not really shocking if it's a Tamiya kit. Gotta say that. If you didn't know that already, what have you been doing all this time? Tamiya kits are fantastic. You pretty much shake the box and it comes out completed. The figures though, wow, that sells a tank. I look forward to painting these figures and having the whole thing completed. Again, thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day and so forth. You all be good. Brucca-NYC out.